this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. We've been in home quarantine for more than a week now. There are a lot of places to clean and to tidy up here in the house that I have been dreading doing it. And I've been telling myself I should clean or declutter my shoe cabinet. So, siguro, it's been a long time now. And I planned to do it last Monday. And today is already Thursday. Dreading to do that one. So now is the time, I think. So, would you like to join me? Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. And yeah, come on, let's go clean the cupboard under the stairs. Come on, let's go. This is our shoe cabinet. I'm going to clean it. Look, there's coffee, ground coffee. These are all used. I put it here. So it will absorb all the bad odors inside. Yes, these are all our shoes. And yes, there's it's so small in here. Those things there I can't see it because it's so dark inside. I have to arrange. I have to remove all these things, bring all this out. All the things here inside the shoe room. There's not only shoe here, but this what do you call it? It's the caballo of the plancha, and umbrellas, and a lot of stuff. We just keep all our stuffs here. So I'm gonna bring everything out so I can organize this and declutter it. A lot of shoes here. So I think I have to start now. No, I brought all the things outside now. I hit my head. So now I'm going to start vacuuming the place, vacuum all the spaces, and later wipe them down with cloth. After vacuuming, I wipe it down with cloth so all the rest of the dust will come off. I've been looking at this pile for quite some time already and I don't know how to begin. Going to start putting back all the shoes first. And now I'm going to declutter some of this stuff that I'm not going to use anymore and throw them out or give it to somebody else. Those I'm still going to use, I'm going to keep it. I'm just wiping them down first and think about them if I'm still going to use them or not, or ask my husband if he needs them or not. This is how the shoe room looks like now. It's a little bit uh, organized now. And these are some of the umbrellas and the toolboxes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. See you next time. Bye.